Well, guess who's here? My little girl from Zamora Reptiles. Fingers crossed. This is the hardest part about shipping snakes, is the fear you have when you get ready to open that box, and your prayers are with these animals, because this one came all the way from New Mexico. So I'm praying. It's really cold up here in New York, so I'm praying she's okay. I'm a wreck. I have tremors anyway because I have spine damage, but being this excited and concerned at the same time, it's such a mix of emotions that's really hard for you, especially when you love them all like I do. But yeah, it's I can't quit shaking. You have to be careful so you don't cut into the inside of the box. But yes, I've been up all night tracking this little lady. You do care, you do worry about them. You know, a lot of people think breeders don't care that much about their snakes, but I'll tell you what, I've produced 120 babies, and I worried about every single one of those snakes when I sent them out to someone else. You do care about them. You love them as much as you did their parents. I know I'm slow, but I just want to be sure she's safe, and the last thing I want to do is cut in there. Live, harmless reptiles. Isn't that an understatement? Oh, I love the card. That's beautiful. Gorgeous card, Jacob. Fingers crossed. Please let her be okay. My spaz. I'm shaking so bad. I got a new tripod for my camera, so. Ah, nice. Heat pack's still nice and warm. Little lady, are you okay? Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Awesome. There's a little girl. There's a little girl. How are you, sweetie? Oh, I hate these ties, and they hate me too. How you doing? Please be okay. These are a challenge to get off these bags, I'm telling you. I probably shouldn't have filmed this part with my trimmers. Plus, a lot of it's excitement. I've been up all night worrying about her. The heck with it. Just to make sure she's down and cut the bag. I'm not going to mess around with that plastic tie. Be sure you're all down in the bottom of the bag, so I don't have to worry about touching you. She's not moving any. I hope she's alright. You okay, little lady? Are you okay? Oh my gosh, she's alive. And she is gorgeous. Can I pick you up? You had her. She's nice and warm, Jacob. Beautiful packaging. Look at that pretty girl. Look at that beautiful girl. Oh my God, my heart's so big right now, and I'm so happy she's okay. Look at you. Aren't you gorgeous? Let me move you over here. My blood pressure was up to the moon until I opened that box and saw that she was okay. But look at that. How can you beat that for beauty? She's a female piebald python. She came from Zamora's Reptiles. Jacob from New Mexico, long haul, all the way to the top of the United States. She is big. She is nice and healthy. Thank you so much, Jacob. She is beautiful. I got her enclosure all set up last night and ready for her. You're a big, healthy girl. You're gorgeous. Yes, you are. So if I look a mess in this video, I apologize, because I've been up all night tracking her online. And I have my FedEx site set up so I get text messages on my cell phone every time the package travels or it goes from one place to another. Look at you. Aren't you beautiful? Yes, you are. Not stressed out at all. She's nice and relaxed and cozy. So I'm warm, I'm comfortable, and I'm not stressed out at all. That means she had a decent trip. Thank goodness. Look how gorgeous you are. Look at those colors. Now I gotta, you know, I was kind of thinking when I saw her in the auction, she looked like her name should be Star to me. So I think I'm gonna keep that name for her. It's just one of those first impulse things when you first see them, you know, the name just pops into your head. That's how I've named a lot of my snakes. But she's gorgeous. Look at you. You are beautiful, young lady. Yes, you are. What'd you see? Curious already. So I'm curious already to see what's going on around here. Look at you. She is just as nice and mellow and social and friendly and not a bit stressed out. That's what you want to see. That means the person that raised these snakes and produced them has done a beautiful job with them. Thank you, Jacob. She's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited. Look at you. You are beautiful. Hi, you're a gorgeous girl. You are. Yes, you are. You're such a beautiful girl. You know, a lot of people don't believe it, but snakes can tell what kind of person you are. They can sense when you're afraid of them. They can sense when you like them. It's a really, I think they have a lot more insight about things than humans do, actually. It'll be 58 years I've raised snakes, and I've seen it myself that they have this intuitive response to everything around them, and they can judge people. But you are just gorgeous. Yes, you are a beautiful girl. You look like your name should be Star. You want to travel around a little bit? Stretch out a little bit. You've been a ball and she won't even let go of me. You're okay, honey. Nothing's gonna hurt you. You're okay. You want to get on the bed? Beautiful card and sticker. Thank you, Jacob. Look at that. She won't let go of me. I have that effect on snakes for some reason. They all love me. Can I put you down? She won't let go of me. Come on, I just want to let you move around some since you've been on a little tight ball all the way here. There you go. There, see? You're fine. You're fine. She is magnificent. I love the low white pieds. I've always had a thing about the low whites on them. You are beautiful. No, you can't go over there, honey. You're not familiar with this place yet. Not yet. Give you a couple of months. You'll be used to it. You'll be fine. Yes, you will. She likes me. You can tell when they like you and they trust you. You've done a beautiful job with her of raising her and taking care of her, Jacob. She's just beautiful. Look. Slow down. Oh, she's warmed up now and ready to go. Come on. Let me get you a plastic tote and put you in it. Did you just spot those kitty cats over there by chance? Come on. Let's go over here. Let's get in here. Go put you in here for a few minutes. Let you calm back down. She got all excited. She wants to start going all over the place. And go put you in here for a little while. You'll be okay. It's okay. You're fine. I think she's warmed up a little more. There. Curiosity. They love to check everything out. You know, I'll put her in her enclosure in a little while. I want to let her settle down since they handled her and everything. She is beautiful. My girl is here. I'm so happy. I was so worried. You have no idea how much that worries people when they love their animals like I do. But she came in safely, and she is beautiful. Two pretty new girls I've got in the house. I have this beautiful pied ball python, and I have Belle over here. Look at you. So what'd you put me back in a container for? I just got out of a bag. That's not quite fair, lady. So that's not quite fair. Yeah, I'm going to put you in your house in a little while. I just wanted to look you over. Beautiful placement of colors. The low white, it's just really pretty the way it's set up. She's beautiful. Aren't you beautiful? My daughter Carla's on the way here to help me feed the 4 Pastavi ball python males, so I'll leave you out in this for a little while so when she gets here she can hold you for a little bit. She's very pretty. So I'm curious. I want to get out and go looking around and get into everything. Relax. Just relax. You'll be all right. She's so cute. Yeah, I think I'm going to name you Star. You look like you should be a star. She's pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She's all right. And thank you, Jacob from Zamora's Reptiles. She's beautiful. She'll be greatly cherished and cared for here in my home. And as you know, with my other snakes, they're all like my own children. I love them to death. But wonderful. I'm just going to watch her for a little while and be sure she's all right, which I'm sure she is. She was nice and warm. Now I put her in her enclosure, and then I can set my alarm clock after my daughter leaves and take a nap, since I've been up all night worrying about her. And yeah, we do worry about them. We love them. You know, a lot of people think breeders don't care about their snakes. That's not true at all, because I've produced 142 babies in total, and they went out to new homes. And I was worried to death about those snakes in transit. You worry about them leaving. When you have snakes coming in, you worry about them arriving intact and healthy. And I've had packages come in from different places that the packages were just kind of beat up and torn and stuff. And so, you know, you've always got that thought in the back of your head, what if someone isn't paying attention and that box gets mismanaged or mishandled? And these are living animals. It's specified on the boxes, but that doesn't mean everybody's careful with them. They do mean a lot to us. And contrary to a lot of people's beliefs, the breeders really care about these babies that they're sending out to people. She's not per se a baby, but a young snake, juvenile. But the breeders do care about them. I've heard so many people say that breeders don't give a crap about the snakes. All they care about is the money. That's one of the biggest misconceptions and lies I've ever heard. To be honest with you, I've never charged a penny for any of the snakes that I produce. I only ask a couple of things. I get updates on them. I know how their health is coming along. I know how they're progressing. I know how they're eating. If anything's wrong with them, the people contact me. If they can't keep them, they come back to me. But yeah, that's it. And there's my daughter. I'll cut this video off. Thank you, Jacob. She's beautiful.
Well, you got the new baby in.
She just came in.